Hi, I'm Andy. I'm the Schnucks Cheese Guy. Today we're going to talk about how do you make a cheese board that's nice and simple, but something that's going to be really cool, and when you have your next get together with your guests, that's going to really blow them away. Good rule of thumb: 1 to 2 ounces of cheese per person per cheese. Next thing is pick a board that you like. If you can see here, I've got a slate rectangular board, I've got a wooden oval board, and a round wooden board. The next thing is keep the cheeses to about 3 to 5. Any more than that, it's gonna be kind of sensory overload, and you're not going to enjoy them as much as you would if you keep it smaller.